Once your pump is set up and ready to use, go through these steps to optimize your application. Optimizing your application can save you on material usage, increase throughput, and reduce callback and repairs. Before priming your pump, make sure to inspect your connections to make sure all connections are tight and safety guards are in place. Ensure you are using the properly rated hose for the pump. Whether your pump is new or used, the equipment must be flushed with the proper solvent to remove old solvent or mineral oil that is used to test the equipment. Put the siphon tube in the solvent bucket and turn on the air motor. Slowly begin to turn up your air pressure while triggering the gun into a waste bucket. You will need a minimum pressure of 10 psi for the pump to effectively run. Keep the tip and tip guard off during this process. Once you have run coating through the line and gun, you can now attach the tip and tip guard. The gun lock prevents the trigger from releasing high pressure paint. The tip guard helps keep fingers and other body parts away from pressurized material. You are now ready to spray. Once you are done spraying, you need to depressurize the unit. Do this by turning down the pressure and pulling the trigger to release the system pressure into a waste bucket. You will then repeat the pump loading process using solvent to clean the pump and hose. Continue to run solvent through the pump until clean.